We are witnessing a new chapter in human history. Dr. Michio Kaku calls the latest James Webb image a revelation, peeling back the curtain on the universe's earliest moments. Today, we journey into the deepest reaches of space and time. This isn't just a photograph, it's a message from the dawn of everything. The James Webb Space Telescope is the most powerful of its kind, built to answer humanity's biggest questions. Imagine looking back over 13 billion years. That's what Webb allows us to do. This image is a time capsule, a direct look at the universe's building blocks. Join us as we step through this new window to the cosmos. When discoveries like this emerge, we turn to voices like Dr. Michio Kaku's for insight. He's not just a theoretical physicist. He's a storyteller of the cosmos. As co-founder of string field theory, Dr. Kaku has spent his life exploring the universe's deepest mysteries. What sets him apart is his gift for making complex ideas accessible to everyone. He uses clear language and relatable analogies, inspiring millions to see the poetry in science. Dr. Kaku's work spans best-selling books, documentaries and lectures that bring the universe closer to us all. He reminds us that science is not to be feared but celebrated. It belongs to everyone. When he looks at a new image from the James Webb Telescope, he sees both the data and the grand narrative. He connects a single photograph to the cosmic story unfolding over billions of years. His perspective matters because he bridges the world of theoretical physics and human curiosity. Dr. Kaku helps us see the wonder in discovery. He's a guide through the mysteries of the universe, and today his insights help us understand why this new image matters. Let's hear what he has to say. To grasp the significance of this image, we must understand the James Webb Space Telescope itself. JWST is an engineering marvel, our most advanced eye in the sky, orbiting 1 million miles from Earth. Its distant vantage point lets it see the universe with unprecedented clarity. What makes Webb unique is its ability to see in infrared, revealing light invisible to our eyes. As the universe expands, light from distant galaxies shifts into the infrared. So to see the first galaxies, we need this vision. Webb's giant gold-coated mirror collects this faint ancient light, acting as a cosmic archaeologist. Its mirrors are kept colder than any freezer on Earth, shielded by a massive sun shield. For decades, we dreamed of seeing the cosmic dawn, the moment the first stars and galaxies began to shine. Webb was built to pierce the ancient fog and reveal the universe's first structures. Now it has achieved just that. The result, a direct look at our cosmic origins. Let's turn to the image itself, a dark canvas sprinkled with countless points of light. Among them are faint reddish smudges, the most distant galaxies ever seen, as they existed over 13.4 billion years ago. What's groundbreaking is the number and maturity of these early galaxies. Scientists expected to see a few small, clumpy proto-galaxies. Instead, Webb revealed a surprising number of well-formed, massive galaxies from this early epoch. It's as if the universe got a much faster start than anyone predicted. Dr. Kaku likened it to seeing a baby with a full set of adult teeth. Unexpected, confusing, and thrilling. This discovery challenges our standard model of cosmology. It suggests star and galaxy formation happened much earlier and more efficiently than we thought. Each faint red dot is a mystery. How did these galaxies form so quickly? How did they grow so large? This single photograph has opened a new field of research. It's a glimpse of a cosmic dawn that was brighter and busier than we imagined. The universe was in a hurry to create complexity. The image is a beautiful puzzle, and it's only the beginning. How does Michio Kaku process such a discovery? With humility and excitement, He sees this not as a failure, but as a triumph of curiosity. We built a telescope to ask a question, and the universe gave us a more interesting answer. Dr. Kaku calls this a glorious opportunity. This discovery reminds us the universe is dynamic, evolving, and full of surprises. Dr. Kaku's reaction is one of genuine wonder, the same feeling that drives all great scientists. This image is a shared human heritage, a whisper from our cosmic past, and that's what makes discovery so exhilarating. Discoveries like this do more than rewrite textbooks. They change our perspective. For most of history, we thought we were at the center of everything. Science has shown we're on a small planet orbiting an average star in a vast galaxy among billions. This can be humbling, but the Webb image offers a new perspective. We are connected to the cosmic story, the iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, all forged in ancient stars. When we look at this image, we see our own cosmic family tree. It fosters unity, national borders fade, and we remember we're all passengers on this small planet. The James Webb Space Telescope is a testament to international collaboration and human curiosity. It's a beacon of hope, showing what we can achieve together. This discovery enriches our experience, inspiring art, science, and wonder. Knowing the universe built complex galaxies so early makes our existence even more remarkable. We are the universe looking back at itself, and the story is still unfolding. This image is not an endpoint, it's a beginning. The James Webb Space Telescope will continue to peer deeper into space and time, searching for new cosmic secrets. It will analyze exoplanet atmospheres, study the birth of stars, and unravel the mysteries of galaxy formation. Dr. Kaku and other scientists will spend years analyzing this data, building new theories and debating new ideas. This is how science progresses, slow, careful, and collaborative. Each discovery fuels the next generation of research. For us, the journey continues. We can follow along as new findings are announced. The cosmos is the ultimate source of inspiration, reminding us there's always more to learn and wonder about. The quest for knowledge is a journey without end. The universe doesn't owe us answers, but the fact that we can find them is a gift. Thank you for joining us at Cosmic Discoveries. If you enjoyed this journey, like and subscribe for more adventures into the wonders of the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up.